Hi guys, I want to tell you that I identify myself as being American. Yeah, I've decided I don't need to change my gender and I don't need to change I just need to change my passport and I'm American. How easy is that, right? Well, wrong, because apparently you can't do that. Yet somehow you can change you can cut off your genitals and become a woman. uh, and that's the thing I wondered, and I'm looking at the things that are happening in the world lately. Well, it's old news, but I've been watching this guy's channel. He's called the Nomad Capitalist, and basically what he's doing is he's buying citizenship of all the countries he can. Basically, he's a millionaire or billionaire with money, and I would definitely want that, but I'm poor, so no citizenship for me. Although I have two. What I'm trying to say is that maybe 500 years ago we didn't even have those passports and we were free, but now we are like bound to one country and chained to one government that never view really elected. Like if you really think about it, you if you live, for example, in the US, you only have two options. Either you are Democrat or what's the other party? I forgot. Liberal. Democrat and liberal. Why isn't there a third or fourth or something in the middle? Because you can have liberal and you have just like democratic views, and they don't fit into one or another. Also in China you have like only one thing, but they are communists. Oh, they pretend to be communists, but all of it is based on money. Or in Russia, they copied the American system and they are either liberals or Democrats or something else. What I'm trying to say is now kind of money controls everything, and that's why like everything is bought and owned, and there is no soul. Because even this guy, he bought three or four. He has like 6, 7 citizenship. Do you believe he's a patriot, a real patriot? Like you guys were fooled to believe all these years that you should stick to one country and um, swear oath, yeah, swear oath to only one country and all that bullshit. Yeah, there were a time when this was a necessary evil, I would call it, but nowadays things have gotten a little bit things changed. And do we really need to stick to all those old beliefs and all old ways of doing things? As I've told you before, I was born in USSR, in a country that doesn't exist anymore, and now I live in a country called Moldova, although it was sometimes many years ago part of Romania. And I would love for my country to unite with its former self, but I know for sure that that won't happen. It's also always because of corruption in our systems, in our. But anyway, this is not the point, because the ideal world I would like to live is world government or world monitoring system where we all would share the same principles and values. And I think that is probable, and like that is possible until, well, we do something about it. So I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm the citizen of the world, and yeah.